નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, બીકોમ સેમ 5 ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ બિઝનેસ લો એમાં આપણે ચોથા નંબરનું ચેપ્ટર જોતા હતા, પ્રપોઝલ એટલે કે ઓફર, એક્સેપ્ટન્સ એન્ડ કમ્યુનિકેશન્સ. તો એમાં બીજા નંબરનો ટોપિક ઓન ઇન્વિટેશન ટુ મેક ઓન ઓફર. An offer must further be distinguished from an intention to make an offer. Thus, a bookseller catalogs is not an offer which may acceptance becomes a binding contract obliging the bookseller to sell a book at the advertised price, but is merely an invitation to an offer. Mere inquiry is not an offer. Likewise, quotation, advertisement of circulars do not constitute an offer. They are instead invitations to the public to make an offer. A similar question arose in a more recent cases in Fisher v. Bell C. B exhibited in a show window of his shop a knife with a market price. The question arose whether the exhibition of that knife in the window considered an offer for sale. Lord Parker C.J. delivering the judgment said, It is clear that according to the ordinary law of contract, the display of an article with a price on it in a shop window is merely an invitation to trade. It is in no sense an offer for sale, the acceptance of which constitute a contract. It is quite impossible to say that an exhibition of goods in a shop window is itself an offer for sale. એના પછી નેક્સ્ટ છે એના પછીનો ટોપિક છે એક્શન સેલ્સ. તો એમાં આપેલું છે સિમિલરલી ઇન અન એક્શન સેલ આર્ટિકલ ડિસ્પ્લે ઇન અ એક્શન Similarly, in an action cells article display in an action cells are displayed with an intention that the builders present during an action cell may bid for them. Example આપેલું છે may make an offer for them. Thus in an action cell a bid is an offer. It can therefore be retracted at any time before acceptance by the actor. The most common method of acceptance by the actor is by the fall of the hammer. એના પછીનો ટોપિક છે સ્ટેન્ડિંગ ઓફર ફોર કનેક્ટિંગ ઓફર, એટલે કે સ્ટેન્ડિંગ ઓફર એન્ડ કનેક્ટિંગ ઓફરનો તફાવત છે. તો એ જોઈએ. સમટાઈમ એ પ્રપોઝલ મે ટેક ધ form of a containing offer where goods or service are required for a certain period of time. A trader may invite trader may invite traders as a standing offer which a connecting offer. Thus, an offer for the continuous supply of a certain article at a certain rate over a definite period is called a standing offer. Case of Principal Limited VLCE will drive home the point in his piecing a tender addressed to the London County Council agreeing on acceptance to supply all the goods specified in the schedule. To the exact order, even though the tender was accepted by the council did not order any goods. Held the council was not bound to order any goods, but if it did so, P was bound to deliver the goods as and when ordered. Thus, if the person who invited the tender gives no order or does not order the full quantity of goods set out in the tender, there is no branch of contract. The acceptance of standing offer has the effect that as and when the goods are required, an order is placed with the person who submitted the tender, and each time a distinct contract is made. Revocations આપેલું છે. A standing offer, like an ordinary offer, may be revoked at any time before acceptance thereof. The question here might arise whether the person making a tender can revoke it at any time before the expiry of the period covered up by tender. This question will answered is the following cases of offer devices. Hence, the different gives a letter to the plaintiff guaranteeing the due payment of all bills of exchange discounted by the plaintiff for MS Davis and Co. during the period of 12th month of the extent of ₹500 before the period was over, and any discount was made different withdraw the guarantee, but plaintiff ignored the withdrawal and went on discounting the bills. Some bills not having been honorable, the question arose whether the difference would be payable on the guarantee in spite of revocations. The court held that the different had a right to revoke their promise before the plaintiff has acted upon it, and that the right was not accepted by the promise beginning expressed to be for 12th month, or by the fact that some discount has already been made before the revocations. એના પછી છે The position may be summed up like this: a tender undertaking to supply goods as and when required during a particular period is a standing or continuing offer. It does not necessarily become a contract on the tender beginning accepted. It will become a binding contract only when a specific order in terms of the tender is planned with the tender. Till then, both parties are at liberty to withdrawal and are free from all legal obligations with regard to the tender. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. હવેનો ટૉપિક આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું. આટલા સુધી કોઈને સમજણ ના પડી તો મારો કોન્ટેક્ટ કરવા વિનંતી.